What's up guys? Today we are at Penang to see the SM1 of the latest project, 22 Macalister. So this project just hand over the key. So it's in the center of the Penang. Let's go! Okay, today is like an unboxing because for this project it's just key and over. So the unit for Airbnb mana-mana is still under renovation. So it's actually haven't started to rent out yet lah. So this is a drop-off point. So entering lobby, Bila Mat is ready. Then from there go inside, we can go to the lift, go to the upstairs. Once enter, so this is the lobby. Then we will have standard Bila Mat. And then on your right hand side here, this will be the mailbox. And the left hand side, this is the lift. Okay. So right now we are at level 2. So this is a management office and then for the co-working space. Okay, right now we are at the top floor, 36th floor of the facility. So we have gym, swimming pool. Alright. So this is actually an infinity pool. Sea view. Okay, and the city center over here. And it's an L shape. So over here, this is another side view. Then the gym is over here. Okay, but then currently the gym is under maintenance, so we cannot go in, but it's roughly like this. And in front there is like a place for you to gym outside. See the other side of the view. Let's go! Okay, opposite of this building is actually the courtyard. So we are at the center of the Penang lah. See. Alright, so that's about it for this project, 22 Macalister. So the Airbnb unit is currently under renovation because they are still just hand over the key, so they are doing some renovation to rent out the unit. So if go next time, I will come again to show you the unit itself. So remember to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video.